sister. You guys want to see something really cute? Oh, he knows. He knows. He knows we're going outside. But what do we have to do when you go outside, Chewy? Come over here. Come on. Whoop. Good boy. Get your collar. Good job. Are you mad at your... What are you doing? You have to bring it to me. Come on. Bring it to me. I want to go outside now. Good job. Well, you have to give it to me. Can I have it? Can I have it? You are the cutest thing in the world. Oh my gosh. Oh, can I have it? Can I have it? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Thank you.